Hear that squeaking sound? It goes away. I don't even have to push it all the way down. Sexiness. Looks like it's coming from here. When I push it down, the slave cylinder, it'll go away. When I push it down, it goes away. Any idea what that could be, guys? Please help. Nice. Nice.